Your factory runs on two worlds, IT and OT. It is your office tech computers, servers, email handling business data and communication. OT is the machinery on your factory floor, robots, control systems, and production lines. It is built for data and security, constantly updated to fight digital threats. OT is built for reliability, running for years with little change, focused on controlling physical processes. For years, IT and OT were separate, with OT isolated from internet risks. This air gap kept your production safe from cyber threats. But now, to boost efficiency, factories connect IT and OT, sharing data and enabling remote access. This creates a powerful, data-driven environment, but also tears down old security walls. The digital bridge between IT and OT lets cyber threats move in both directions. A single breach can now put your entire operation at risk. The convenience of connection comes with new vulnerabilities. Understanding this convergence is the first step to protecting your factory. Most OT systems are old, running outdated software never designed for internet threats. They lack basic security features and are hard to update because downtime is costly. Vulnerabilities can go unpatched for years, leaving critical machines exposed. OT devices use insecure, outdated protocols, often unencrypted and easy to intercept. Attackers who breach your network can send malicious commands to your machines. Connecting IT and OT opens a door from the risky office network to your most vital assets. Even a simple phishing email can now threaten your entire plant. The very tech that makes your factory smart also makes it vulnerable. Cyber threats in manufacturing are real and costly. Ransomware can lock your control systems, halting production until a ransom is paid. Phishing tricks employees into revealing passwords or installing malware, giving attackers access to both IT and OT. Default passwords and unpatched equipment are easy targets for hackers. A single vulnerable device can compromise your whole network. Attacks can stop your assembly line, costing revenue and damaging your reputation. Missed deadlines and lost contracts are real risks. Some attacks can even damage machinery or create unsafe conditions. Weak security practices make your factory an easy target. The consequences go far beyond lost data. They threaten your entire business. A cybersecurity-focused MSP is your factory's digital guardian. They provide 24/7 monitoring, spotting threats before they cause damage. Network segmentation builds a digital wall between IT and OT, containing attacks. If malware hits your office, segmentation keeps it from spreading to your machines. MSPs handle patching and updates, even for legacy OT systems, without disrupting production. They close security gaps hackers exploit, making your factory a harder target. In an emergency, their response team acts fast to contain threats and restore operations. MSPs ensure compliance with industry standards and train your staff to spot risks. Their expertise keeps your factory running safely and securely. With an MSP, you gain peace of mind and resilience against modern threats. Investing in a cybersecurity MSP prevents costly downtime and protects your bottom line. Proactive protection is far cheaper than recovering from a major attack. MSPs help you meet compliance requirements, avoiding fines and penalties. Strong security keeps your customers' trust and protects your reputation. Demonstrating robust cybersecurity can win new business and strengthen partnerships. The threats are real, and the stakes are high. Securing your factory is an investment in resilience and reliability. Don't wait for an attack. Take action now to protect your operations. Safeguard your future by making cybersecurity a top priority.